Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Babs Projects, and today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe. It's sweet mango chutney. Sweet mango chutney is usually eaten as a side with rice, dosa, idli, and it's a perfect recipe because right now mango is in season and this is the right time to make it. So if you join me, I will show you how to make this recipe. It's super easy and also very quick to make. So here you can see that I have laid out all the ingredients. It's not a lot of ingredients, pretty simple. I have the red dry chilies over here, some mustard seeds, some fresh grated coconut, salt, and some cut up mangoes. This is the mango I'm using. It's from the Indian store. This is the variety that's like popular over here in New Jersey, and I like to use that. Just make sure that when you're making this recipe, you use really ripe mango. If it is not very ripe, you will not get the same taste. So it has to be really ripe. I'm going to start off by roasting these red dry chilies. Just lightly roast them. Okay, it's done, so I'll take it off the pan. Next, I'm going to add these mustard seeds. And just wait for them to splutter. When it splutters, I know it's done roasting. And then I'll take this off the pan. Next, I'm going to add the coconut. Now the coconut that I use over here is frozen coconut, but it is shredded and it is fresh. But since it is frozen, I just very lightly warm it up so that it releases all the oil and fat and makes it easier to blend. If you're using fresh coconut, absolutely fresh coconut, you don't have to do this part. That's it. Just take it off heat and allow it to cool for some time. Once it has cooled down, I will blend it. So the mixture has cooled down, this coconut and chilies and everything has cooled down. So now I'm going to blend it. Let me add this to this jar, smoothie jar. I like to use the smoothie jar to make small amount of chutney because they're perfect. Let me add the mix, all the coconut and the chilies. Let me just pick them first. Oops. I'll add some water. Salt. And then blend it. a little bit of more water. And I'm also going to add some mangoes, or some pieces of mangoes. Actually, if the mango is very ripe, you don't have to put it in the blender. You can just mash it and then later on mix it with this coconut chutney. That is how it's traditionally made. But this is not super ripe. Although it's sweet, this mango is not super ripe, so I'm going to blend it. And I'll save some pieces of mangoes to mash it with the chutney later. This is done. I'm going to empty it out in this bowl. And you can see I had saved some of the mango pieces because I need some bite in the chutney. I didn't want it completely blended. I'm going to add this chutney to it. Mix it. Now this consistency is perfect. If you want, you can add some more water, but for me this is perfect consistency. This chutney is ready, and I'm tempted to taste a little bit of it with some rice. Perfect. I don't need anything. Perfect amount of spice. The salt is just right. Sweetness you get from the mangoes is just right. Absolutely delicious. If you have enjoyed this recipe for sweet mango chutney, make sure you comment below. And if you have made it and tried it, definitely let me know in the comments below. And if you're looking for exact ingredient measurement, I'm going to have that up on my blog soon. And the link for the blog will be down in the post over here. So make sure you check it out. Oh. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel.